Is simply being born in US enough to become an American citizen, or is that right is about to be taken away? Former President Donald Trump has sparked a legal storm. Let's explore that, what birthright citizenship really means, and what the law says. According to US law, anyone born on American soil automatically becomes a US citizen, even if their parents are not citizens. This is known as birthright citizenship. The foundation of this right lies in the 14th Amendment of the US Constitution, ratified in 1868. Later on in 1898, the Supreme Court case United States versus Wong Kim confirmed this principle. In 2018, and again ahead of the 2024 elections, Donald Trump announced plans to end birthright citizenship for the children of undocumented immigrants through an executive order. Legal scholars were quick to respond. A constitutional right cannot be undone by a presidential order. The 14th Amendment can only be changed through by another constitutional amendment, not by an executive action. Trump supporters argued the phrase "subject to the jurisdiction thereof" means only legal residents are eligible for citizenship, but courts have repeatedly said that anyone born under US jurisdiction, whether their parents are legal or not, if this right is revoked, millions of children could become stateless with no citizenship in the US or their parents' home countries. This could trigger a major human rights crisis. As of now, birthright citizenship remains law. If Trump returned to office, the issue could reach to Supreme Court, but to legally end it, either a court reversal or a new constitutional amendment would be required, and that's a steep legal hill to climb. What do you think? Should birthright citizenship stay, or is it time for a change? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.